Hello everybody, I thought I'd show you this tablet that I've got from Cash Converters. I'm going to fix it. I paid £5 for this. It looks like it's brand new. Brand new. Yeah, I'll see you in a minute. I'm going to fix it. Also, before I go, this is proof that I've actually paid £5 for the tablet. Bit of tablet, £5. It was from Cash Converters. So yeah. So next time you see something, it's worth a try to have it fixed, and this video is proof that you can actually fix stuff. Right, now I've got the camera out. Now I've fixed it. Hopefully when I stick it back to the board, the camera will work. Now I've got to fix the socket now because it's not charging, so I've got to fix the socket. Hopefully when I stick the socket back on, it should actually charge. Apart from that, I don't see any of those problems. I'll let you know in a minute. I'll just try it after this and so let you know if I fixed it or not. See you in a minute. Hello everybody, I just thought I'd show you my tablet that we've actually fixed. So I paid £5 for this tablet. I've just Cash Converters. This is the problem we've got is I didn't realise it was all the old Android, but this'll be good for like a kid or something like that. But yeah, I got myself a £5 tablet, 10.1 inch. So yeah. So bear in mind, next time you go on Cash Converters and you see something £5, it says 40 on it, and it doesn't look broke, just remember you can actually fix it and make money out it, or keep it for yourself. Yeah. There you go. Thanks for watching anyway. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.